Hi guys, it's Jennifer. I'm back again. I have another website that I really want to put you guys onto. It's called MyPassiveTrades. On the website it says that you can earn passively every day up to 1.25% daily with sustainable plan and real trading proof. Now guys, I don't like the idea of putting people onto things that don't work. Okay? I hate putting time and effort into something that doesn't give me what they say they will give you, right? Everyone hates that. So I don't like bringing opportunities that do that to you guys. So I'm telling you, this website, it's one of the best nuggets that I've found on the internet thus far. Like, I can't believe there isn't more people doing this. So I've been using this website for a few weeks now. And I have to say, it does exactly everything it says it does. Okay, and it has a proven track record that you can see on their Facebook profile. There's a group, and there's like over 25,000 members now. It's amazing. Lots of positivity. Everybody's upbeat. Everybody's, congratulating you for taking the next step into creating your own wealth. Right? So this website, basically you can put your Bitcoin in, or if you have money, you can go through like Payeer, I guess, but I put Bitcoin in this website because I know that Bitcoin's price is going to go up eventually, and I'm accumulating as much Bitcoin as I can at these dips. I love a sale. I love crashes. Like, it excites me. I know that I'm going to get discounted Bitcoin. So somebody who's smart with their money would know that's when they're going to collect Bitcoin. Not waiting till it gets into the higher ranges where it becomes more expensive to get. Either way, I'm accumulating. It doesn't matter. But it's just smart. Like, I feel like I'm tripling my money by not only earning Bitcoin online through programs like MyBitcoinTube, which you can find the link below in the description. If you want to sign up, there's a video that you can watch there in my profile on YouTube that'll explain to you generally how MyBitcoinTube works. So check that link out if you haven't already. But with this platform, I get to earn 1% or 1.25% depending on how things are. And that's guaranteed daily. Like, there's not a bank out here who's going to do that for you without asking, the world from you first, Like, it's pretty simple. You put your Bitcoin in and you wait 125 days to get, 125% back on the money that you input. And you can start as low as $5. Like, where are you going to do that? Show me, because I would love to know about it. But this website does that. So let's take a look at what we can do with this website. So I'm logging in, and now I got to put in my Google authentication. Let's see. I open up Google Authenticator to access my 2FA. So it's like a 6-digit number that you put in. And so I would log in like that. It's just for extra security, guys. Okay, so as you can see, I registered in October. And I last logged in today. So far I have $80 that I input in here, and I'm already earning $4.10. This is because I just left the money in there. So when it hits $5 for me, I'm going to reinvest it. So that money that I just created out of thin air can now be compounded, and that will earn interest too. Ooh, I love this platform. So how would we go about inputting, how do we get these benefits where I'm compounding my money and I'm getting 1% daily just for having my Bitcoin held on this platform. Well, you would go to Passive Trades Pack. And this is where you're going to get these benefits on your Bitcoin or your money. So you would buy ad packs. So you would come here to this screen where it says Passive Trades Plan. So it's like you're paying for shares that guarantee you 1% daily. And you have the pack for 125 days. So the shares would expire at 125%. Because again, you're getting 1% daily. So you don't have to surf for anything like some other sites where you gotta log in and actually click on the stuff to like get the money. You don't have to do any of that here on MyPassiveTrades. You get the ability to get 100 website credits, 100 banner credits, 100 text ad credits, and 1 login ads credit. Now the advertising here for me is A1 because I have opportunities that I'm in on other sites where I can advertise them here. I can advertise pretty much whatever I want, and I can use those credits that I got with the $5 I just put in a Bitcoin, and I can basically create a traffic funnel where I can get views on offers that I have. So it's a win-win situation. So say you only have $5 to put in. Well, you could put in 1 unit, which is $5. I mean, you have $5 to spare. Right now I have $4.1. But when it hits $5, please believe I'm going to buy that. I'm going to buy it because now that money that just accumulated from the 1% of the packs that I bought over time, they start accumulating, and I'm going to multiply them by like 5, like divisible by 5, you know. That's how my income strategy doing this. You don't have to do it that way, but it's creating results for me thus far. From the information from other members and their advice, they said, you know, do a multiples of 5, 15, 25, things like that. And you'll be able to compound your money pretty quickly. Like putting in $100 could easily turn into way much more money down the road. And if you're patient and you're not greedy, this website will rack up money for you like you wouldn't believe. And with the price of Bitcoin though in the future going up, that's like, you know, at least you'll be able to accumulate your first Bitcoin without even having to have bought anything. Just think about that for a second. So now you're on board with the idea. Now you want to deposit some Bitcoin now. So you would go to my wallet and you would click deposit money, and it would bring you to this window, and you could put like $10 Bitcoin, or say you want to put $100 Bitcoin, and you have payment option. You can use Perfect Money or you can use Bitcoin. So people have the option of putting money or Bitcoin. You can put in either or. But I personally am using Bitcoin. I don't know anything about the cash side of it. My only interest is earning Bitcoin. Because again, I'm still trying to earn at least 1 Bitcoin at some point in time this year. And I'm trying to maximize all my efforts into making sure that that happens any way possible. So if it meant me sitting on some money, being patient for 125 days just to get my return on my investment, I'm cool with that. Because that's money that I didn't even have to earn. And it's just working on itself because I got smart and decided to use my money in a useful way, if you know what I mean. So then you would I would press Bitcoin, of course, and then you fund the account. Obviously I don't have $100 to do that with, but that's what would happen. And then it would take you to a screen where you would you know, honestly, let me do it today because I have to do it anyway. So I'm putting in $5 Bitcoin because I want to put in little by little and see how much it really racks up to, just to show that at any small amount it can be done. So I'm gonna click fund the account and I click for Bitcoin. So it's gonna send me to confirm payment. Now you have to use, for people who are out here selling Bitcoin, they have to use coin payments basically to make payments on this website. It's all set up for you. You don't even have to do any calculations. It's already ready. So you would click BTC, and then you would input your email, and then you would complete checkout. So I'm going to do that. So it would come to this screen right here, and this is where you would pay for it, right? So I have my phone here, and I use Exodus wallet, which is like so awesome. The design of it is so sleek. Highly recommend it, using it. So I'm gonna transfer the money from my phone to coin payments using my camera. So I would scan the QR code, which is this one here, and it will automatically send the money to this address in this amount, which is like $5 Bitcoin. So I just put it to the screen. I'm about to send it, and it's like 5,782 Satoshi with the network fee, which is like probably around like 30 cents Bitcoin right now. But it's 50 cents Bitcoin basically. So I'm gonna send it. I said that just now. So the screen should change. I love the power of Bitcoin. Wow. That was quick. So now at this point, I have to wait for it to hit the account. So I don't know how long that'll be. So I'm going to pause the video and come back when it's ready. Okay, so I'm back, and now that it's said that it's paid, I already refreshed my wallet. It was probably like 30 or 40 minutes before I saw anything, but depending on what's going on that day, it's faster or slower. But it always ends up in my wallet. So I have $9 here. I input $5. I had $4.10 here. So I could wait until it is $10 and then buy a pack, but I'm just gonna do it for all intents and purposes for people who are curious about how it works. So I go to Passive Trades pack and I buy ad pack. So now I have enough to get to buy one ad pack, one passive ad pack. So I would put one, because that's how much one would cost. And I would click on Bitcoin, and then I would buy now. And it would ask, do you really want to purchase this amount of shares? I say, okay. And voila, shares successfully purchased. And that's all there is to it, guys. It should reflect in your, where is it? My packs, right? It should reflect. So that's what I purchased today, and in 24 hours it will have 5 cents there, and then from there it's just collecting a percent a day. So I highly recommend you guys use this site. So I hope somebody finds this helpful, and cheers to building your wealth. I'll see you guys next time.